It's no exaggeration to say that drones have changed the way we view the world. They've taken once difficult and expensive movie-making techniques and made them accessible to anyone. Videos that once required a camera crew, expensive cranes, and hours of filming can now be done in minutes by the best drones with the tap of a single auto takeoff button. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best drone with camera on the market. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Number 1. DJI Mini 2. The Mavic Air 2S has great collision avoidance tech, but it's pricey. Even the new Mini 3 Pro is $750. For a more affordable option, DJI Mini 2 8/10 wired recommends is the way to go. It flies nearly as well as its larger siblings, though wind gusts that wouldn't faze bigger drones, like the Mavic 2 Pro, will ground the Mini. The lack of collision avoidance sensors makes it a better choice for more experienced flyers. Despite those caveats, the Mini 2 is still a great entry-level drone. It's fun to fly, shoots 4K video, and packs up smaller than many smartphones. That last bit is key, because the best drone is the one you actually bring with you. At a mere 249 grams, it's easy to take the Mini 2 everywhere, and you don't need to register it with the Federal Aviation Administration. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro. DJI's original Mavic Mini was a tiny, underpowered thing with a small sensor and very basic features. This third iteration, the Mini 3 Pro, uses a 1.3-inch sensor that's capable of 4K video and 12.1 megapixel RAW images. There's also a 48 megapixel option, but you lose some camera features in this mode. On the front of the drone, there's a new faster 1.7 lens. The Mini 3 Pro also packs in 3-direction obstacle avoidance and a gimbal that shoots vertically, and it still manages to weigh in at less than 250 grams. That number is important because in most jurisdictions, the Mini 3 Pro is a joy to fly, and it can stay in the air for an amazing 45 minutes on a single charge using the extended battery. I got around 32 minutes with the standard battery. It flies very well and is surprisingly good at maneuvering in the wind. The only downside to the Mini 3 is that the price has jumped up from the Mini 2. I think the higher price is justified given the new features, but I've left the Mini 2 below as a budget pick since, at least for now, DJI is still selling it. Number 3. Propel Star Wars X-Wing Starfighter. Propel's X-Wing fighter drone is great for Star Wars fans. There are actually a few drones in this line, the X-Wing and the TIE X1, $75. The best part is that all of them have a battle mode, so you can fly against friends and try to shoot them down. Get hit 3 times with the IR beam and your drone will auto-land. Unfortunately, these have a learning curve. When it comes to flying, a little tap of the control stick goes a long way, and mine had a habit of flying off at an angle immediately on takeoff. Holding a position is also a lost cause, but once you master the sensitive controls, these are fun to fly and fight. The prices of these fluctuate a lot, particularly on Amazon where the price swings around by $100 or more. Don't pay more than $60 for the X-Wing. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3. DJI Mavic 3 8/10 wired recommends is in a class of its own. It's the best drone you can buy right now. The image and video quality are amazing, thanks to the new 20 megapixel 4/3 sensor, and the ability to travel and track objects at 45 miles per hour means you are not going to miss a shot. The omnidirectional obstacle avoidance keeps the drone out of the trees, and it has a 45-minute flying time. It's expensive, but in this case you get what you pay for. If that's not enough, there's also a Syma model, $4,999, which adds support for ProRes video and a 1 terabyte drive to store it on. Number 5. Syma X20 Mini Drone. I've been flying drones for 7 years, and I still get a little nervous every time. If you've invested more than $1,000 in your drone, you'd be crazy not to be a little nervous. One of the best ways to get over that is to practice with a cheap one like my favorite toy drone from Syma. The X20 is sold in a variety of configurations and is rebranded by several companies, but it's all the same basic hardware. Don't pay more than $40. Be careful flying indoors, as it can hurt when it hits you. Ask me how I know that. It's a little different to fly compared to the bigger drones. If anything, it's more difficult, but also a lot of fun. Look for the link in the description box below. If there is another product on the market, or if you found one worth your purchase, let us know in the comment section. If you would like to see a future review, also subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so so you'll know when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on the channel.